University money and registration office.
Okay.
Open for business.
Serumal. I think you're here. Yeah. $20.
So, sa mensahe mo pa Ang Siliman.
Being a Silimanian is a pride. And I am very proud that I was invited to this event because the Siliman spirit is within my heart.
Congratulations. Unsa ang Siliman spirit?
Dagan mag-spirit dito.
Oh yeah. Napili kaya pong Siliman spirit. Biray ko lang dire.
Kasay.
20 per member of couple mo, Siliman 35.
Okay, ako lang $20 registration for Siliman alumnus members. And then kung couple, 35. Na may $5 discount. Hindi na mo makakita na discount. Ha?
Kung lifetime, pila man?
Ang mga kaya. Lifetime na ba kumain? Oh my God!
Who was the first Filipino athlete to win a gold medal?
Wrong!
Okay.
Excited kayo sila. Dylan Diaz.
Correct. Sige, medical field.
Yeah!
What disease commonly spread on pirate ships?
Okay, 1X! Nag-join sa Siliman Alumni Association sa Southern California.